Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update. Today we will look closely at the Red Bell group and why they were given priority to join the South Sudan People Defense Forces. We will also ask why other army youths like some Murle group who rape and abduct children are not always treated the same by the government. Please subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss our update. The South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF recently ordered members of the Red Bell movement in party of Jonglei or related areas to join the National Army. The statement said, join the SSPDF or face forceful disarmament. This was read by the South Sudan People Defense Force spokesperson and repeated by army leaders. At the same time, many people worry, why does the government want to put some group into the army while other violent youth group blamed for cattle raiding and children abduction are not always forced to join or disarm the same way? We will look at 5 reasons that can explain these differences. A long story of local militias. South Sudan has many youth militias. Some began as community defender. A long time ago, for example, the Nuer Army began as a local youth protecting villages. Over time, this group grew and sometimes fought larger forces. They have a long story in the area and a special identity. Cattle raiding and child abduction are complex problems. Groups like Murle youth are often accused of cattle raiding and abducting children. These acts are terrible and cause deep pain for many families. But these attacks are tied to whole feud, weak government reach, and the lack of service in remote areas that make the problem hard to stop quickly. I will explain 5 reasons why the Red Bell group was given priority to join the army and why this looks different from how some other groups are treated. Number 1, political link and negotiations. Some groups have closer political ties to leader or negotiating partner. If a group has open line to the national army or to political leader, talk can move faster. Leaders often prefer to bring group into the army when they know who to talk to and when those leaders agree to join. Integration then look like a clear step. A report about the order to integrate the Red Bell show the military frame it as a formal and immediate step. Number 2, willingness to integrate or accept rank. Some groups say they want to join the army. When a group shows it will accept training, uniform, and new order, the army can move them in. Integration is simpler. When a group accepts command, if other group refuse, the government said forceful disarmament is the next step, but this step is hard to carry out in practice across many areas at once. The army may prioritize group in areas where it wants quick control. If the Red Bell operate in a place that the government wants to secure fast, integration becomes a tool to stabilize the area. This is also part of a strategy to show authority and unified command across tribal region. Number 4, community backing and local support. When a group has a strong support from locally elder or the main local community, the government may see integration as less risky. A group with community backing can be easier to fall into formal structure because local leaders can help keep peace during the transition. Number 5, international and media attention. When an issue is loud in the media or noticed by international partners, the group may act faster. A formal order to integrate show a public response, but violence like child abduction often happen in remote places with less daily reporting, and that can slow urgent national action. Why Murle or other civil militia are not always treated the same? Now let us directly why group who rape and abduct children are not always treated as a big threat by the government. Many rape and abduction happen in remote areas. The government reach is weak there. Sending troops or police to these areas is expensive and risky. The army often focus on areas it can easily control. Local power balance in politics. In some places, the government depend on local power broker to keep calm. If those brokers are connected to certain youth group, the government may avoid action that upset local balance. That can mean some violent youth avoid direct national force for longer. Fear of more violence. If the government move again against a group in the wrong way, it may make them worse. Forceful disarmament can spark revenge attack. Leaders therefore weigh the danger of action against the chance of bigger conflict. Lack of clear intelligence or proof. To take a strong action, the government needs proof and good intelligence. In some incidents, identifying exact attacker is hard. Without clear proof, the government may delay action. Selective political interest. At times, the government may act in a way that reflect political goal, not only security need. Some group may be ignored or pressured depending on who they are allied with. Observers warn this selective approach can hurt long-term peace. We must not forget the people who suffer. When cattle are taken, families lose food and money. When children are abducted, families are broken. These acts leave deep scars. If the government seems to protect some group but not others, ordinary people lose trust. That will make peace harder to build. Some analysis said integration can be useful if it is fair and done with a clear plan. If the army train fighters and give them work, the fighter may stop raiding. But if integration is only for some group while others keep fighting, the gains are limited and fragile. Here are the basic steps that government and partner can take. I list them in plain words so listener can easily follow. Number 1, fair and even approach. Treat all violent groups the same. Better patrol and fast response in remote areas. Clear talk with local leaders and families. Job and training program for youth who stop fighting. Better intelligence to prove who did what so action is fair. Support for victims. Food, school and counseling for abducted children and families. These steps are not easy, but they help build real peace. The question is here, how did the raid affect your family? Do you think the government treat group fairly? Would you accept a militia joining the army if it means safety? Leave space, comment below please. Try to tell us what do you think. Integration can be positive, but fast or wrong integration bring risk. Fighter with no training may not follow rules. Some fighter may keep a hidden weapon. If integration look unfair, rival may fight back. Forced disarmament without job can push youth back to crime. That means any integration must be careful, fair and planned. Communities are key to peace. Here are simple action community members can do. Speak with local chief and elder to find solution. Share information with the police if you know attackers. Support children with school and food when family lose cattle. Encourage young men to lead trade or farming. This is small step to stop the cycle of violence. Well, let us recap in plain words. The Red Bell group was told to join the army or be disarmed. Government choice often depend on politics, location, and who is willing to join. Groups that raid and abduct in remote areas are harder to stop. Reuters and others have reported on kidnapping and raid in recent years. Integration can help, but only if it is fair and part of clear plan. Bia kamal gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel to kon kan bukon ling gwasme. Bana right ki Red Bell group Red Bell ngomi gorga jano but bala part of SSPDF one banja lingwasa mani ngai konan wo Red Bell group ke ngani jandi charian mat dio je ci kon dialte kon de shalat chana kaling gwaze dan no Red Bell group chaga jogo no yende yana SSPDF de yana join anono ci South Sudan People Defense Force ci kan warga ci kana gor lul roy kong ci warga ci gor te gwal Red Bell group ko de kan aspilayo de kan SSPDF de kan join ka do dana dong gor jeno de kan wore kija bad bana kul rajeno ngu mno ka je mno ka ken woken de kan a part of ngade de kan a part of SSPDF ka jamo ban jelinga gwa ka jelere me ko te ga ngwande ya totene ne mene go no jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko yo mite mi shala be chama la shubeke ji tar jo me meling South Sudan People Defense Force kan order kan to no Red Bell group chaga jogo no de yan SSPDF bi ne join no ke ba me kun ba ka kaf no ka bom ka yako kan kan ga me di jalga ka shi SSPDF spokesperson je jo ma che jalat ka che ga jogo no gorjano yen bia SSPDF bia je join no ngai kon dia le ne to ngwan gwas me bo dierna men dier kana jene no men dier kana une SSPDF ngome jokan Red Bell group no kwa ka join kwa ka ku ka SSPDF join ngula very important longa kane de chalga ti Red Bell group mu kono gwaseme dene jigno ne South Sudan take group to one no tin wer wayam ticketin to Red Bell group teten timorle use ticketin no ala kanedi ali la ja to ka mat alo chermi kanedi len resistant ko gangan community jerme ngai kono kan wer wayami kan shika group to gwakal bala jey ko den gwada dana shikane guje no te kirik lat ko rodien baren jej bu ko rodien gather so we can ko dan le road we can chonkel mostly jod mandala kan mala le du mu dong te kirik jitok la gurgo no bu ko rodien jej we can yin kaneden konti la jitarian la nyen kan ganede konti la jaba ko jabane la kan gad la kan nan kan nok so na mo millet kan ne siang la gang karodian hena but chikume kirma yadit ke kuma South Sudan chicken diet na mishit na mane no ayo group da dian jan group mo mishal ko mo imurle use ngum mishikan na mishaka kep ke kuma ba ka jogono yanya kwa ngade join kwa SSPDF kwa join kamu kan sha join na SSPDF and then ba me kun ba ka ngum kan order mi mo kan milaro na me a question mi diralong mo gorge jan o de jalo jan ideal so kuje mo miritin ngai kono no ne nanka gat nangat ke gade human being right kananga je ka bom you know nanka no ka bom kanedity chit kamurle use these are the use key group that should be ordered by kirano de ka disarm but can disarm and can carry it out chit madan ngai kono shumanta me murle use ngode nankan gat kan nanka nok no ajen mo kwa Red Bell group kwa ile pom ka jamone kajen mangai kono no te norwaya mi bokwa je form go je bone ko mi dong te ko YouTube bu ko ten shi to kan te ko office te uniform ne chikan chi Red Bell group ko Red Bell group kan ite mo ta chamo ke bi internet yen ngati na gwada ma kan group de ti chikan ogwa kan bo norwaya mi chikan ogwa kan Red Bell group wa chikan okan bat kai ten tam ne wa kan chi cooperate ko gwa ber antam la kan ok la kan ka la kan nyingna la kan nan ka bom ka jaw ku kala ga je ke ku mi ga je chikon ngai ka kor gwade chang e chikan na ka mane SSPDF and then mane me cha military intelligence ke national security a jagre which bor ka jongle state ko kan ka jongle state gwade cha ga jaktin then cha ko jogono ba me kun ba ka kaf cha ga jogono gorjeno bi SSPDF bi aja join emanyam do ba danen kwa Red Bell group kwa je prioritize ke jeno gorjeno dere SSPDF dere je join be la dit gorano broda linkaten do ba danen Red Bell kwa prioritize ke jaga kan yam kuma kirmi yadi ke kuma South Sudan chanje link do ba men yam wajen wakan tikan keling ke kuma kir no ko wate ga some leader to go support so na mo mudin ko take politician tin la she manaken ana wa easy longo de ga jogono kwa SSPDF kwa join ko gorga jeno ba ka matin den bi man gorgan kan show kan yalet kare jami non anyok larga jeno bi be ngade be mal ben ko tele tension bile talk tina bile nyi tele kor bile talk jen do badan lar ke je no jen do ban yamna mone wa ti kan ke leader ti dong goren go de kan negotiation de kan yalaka otherwise mi kan karodian link den de ko dar to Maradian o gorga jeno ba ka tie jeno mu cha jugo no jena ba mat ka bon SSPDF war ba ka mu ka gor ko kan cha ga jugo no biya kel ka mai kun wa wo ba ka bo mu ka rang ke ba mu ka gor kan gor ro bi ka la nyin ken re kuma ka ngada jeno ken tele ka basic training okay kan ka nge ke discipline dung de ka ko SSPDF tan nge ka but right now cha na cha ka ngi chi ko ne ken wo cha ka ku uniform ni telega training ka ngai kono no rami mom no no ba je train la cho dei ka do bran bo dei ka je bar tema cha ga ju no ko lo go je no bi ka la gwai ke kum ga ju no yen bia rech bia by integrate ka SSPDF bia ka me kun kel ka ba mu ka gorbane so na me gorin je no bi ka mal brech ba mal kaf no jen mu kwala ju no mo ye refuse no yen bia na me bia jenok che bu gorno yen by integrate ke by mat kel ke bon SSPDF ba me kun ba ka ke ba yen ajen jawon yam no mo mo dien gwasa me wa location te ka jong le yone gwe ge jeno mi che kana kan ka lel ka do me gwa lo de security re der tin ano kierik to ngande ga la insecurity der te re we ka jong le said bor so ku mo ko goro jan gwata ma jan gwata rek tina kane de nyonga na ta ba gor ke me de kume be ka jogo no biarech ano ma kel no ko gurgo no be kana shumal control mi gani ko ka banda me shi ka cha mat ka ngade ka SSPDF era ma jen lep tuk do mone ka kan do don kono chi dot ka donc te ram chi de bom den e mal kap ka pet kan ne ton panken lo da chwa hizi ke kuma ko dar ka kaf so this is something me sha plan kan na me jen do bada nan ke jen go dong de red bell de integrate ke je mat ka kuma SSPDF ko da